Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another rigged recap. It is Monday, March 24th, 2025. This was an amazing session if you can follow the instructions that are right here. CTE, check trade exit, trade bulls BL to +2. We're looking at SPY right now. We do our check at 10:30. Let's move this 10:30. We're looking at bulls BL 0 to 2. And we're looking at SPY only. Well, what do we notice? Every single one of these returned 100% at some point in the session. Every single one of these ended positive. The system is saying, hey, this is what you want to trade. This is what you want to look for. And every single one of them returned 100%. Now, nasty drawdowns, right? Nasty, nasty, nasty. But here's why or how you can make it work. Let's pin these. Pin all. So we're looking at the pinned alerts only. This is going to be bulls BL to +2. First one. Look at all these fire off. Oh my gosh, so many of them. You're taking these below the strike, below 573. And here, it has every chance to break above, okay? When this happens, you just break even or you make a little bit of money. That is it. So this, max loss is minus 62.75%. If you're a madman, you bought that thing and held till the end, you did pretty good, 34. But when you're trading this and we're below the strike, right? This is a beautiful pullback from where it says bull risk, bear swing zone, pulls back, doesn't break over 573. You're not losing on this trade. You're just breaking even, and that's okay. Next, when this pulls back here, you're just salivating. Literally said this in Discord today, like, when price action is kind of like ping pong, like this was, there's usually a big move at the end of the session, and that's exactly what happened. So KTR's filling again, and all of these alerts kill it because what? We had an entire session of just basically 2 strikes. Salivating here, boom, you get it at the end. Follow CTE. I mean, you're breaking even here, and then you're winning because when you see this, if you enter any time here and you're thinking like, hey, I would love this as close to 572 as possible, anytime you take it, it's an instant winner. And it's like not only that, but look, it just goes straight up to the extreme bull risk, touches it, boop, and then nukes. That is a perfect session on SPY. Break even, get back in, and win instantly. We saw someone today talking about, the middle, and I got stomped here, I got stomped there. It's like you just got to be able to recognize when this price action is just pinging between strikes and volumes coming down. Just wait until later. Typically, after burning people all day, they orchestrate a big move. And I mean, look at it on Q. We hit 489 here at 10:13. And you ping pong 489, 490 all the way until 1438. So it's like, most of the session. But again, above the blue line is bullish. Anytime you're seeing bulls come in, like, we need to get excited, right? We need to get excited. It's a 434 bull bomb. Win rate, not great. Last 30 days for similar alerts, very, very good. You're taking that here. A KTR, a little bit lower. I mean, boom, perfect trade. We took this. I mean, we literally traded this using micros. Can put the screenshot up right now. And then we said, we're exiting right here because we hit our target. Why? That's +3. It says bull exit zone. And we've been doing this for a while. If it doesn't just fly past +3 and it's going to pull back, and that's exactly what happened. But the important thing here, follow CTE, and we are bullish until this thing breaks the blue line. We want bulls as close to the blue line as possible. But today, 489 basically holds. And if you bought calls anywhere down there, you did really, really well. IWM had higher volume. This is crazy to start out at 216%. And look what happened. The win rate on these things, bang, 55% in the last 30 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You had to be up early for it, but all of them crushed it. 100% plus in 4 hours. Wow. IV right now is still crazy. This at 92 used to be like 30 or 40 bucks. Maybe we'll get back to IWM when it comes back down. But it's the same thing you see on SPY and QQQ. Up move, okay, it's going to pull back, pulls back below 208. You could enter here, anywhere in here for KTR, and then anywhere in here once again. Because when we don't break below 208 and go straight to the blue line, which is essentially 207, you're above the blue, stay bullish. I mean, this is, if you take it here, the best trade of the day. So the thing to emphasize here, we can see all this. This is $300,000 in bullish flow. But we have to think like, hey, this is high up. I want it as close to the blue line as humanly possible. And I mean, you're getting it anywhere in here or anywhere in here. Break even, win big. Overall, SPY had absolutely the best alerts. Following CTE, crushed it. Break even, win big. That's what it's about. Respect the zones. And most importantly, when this thing is ping-ponging and nothing is happening and there's no on fire, just wait until later in the session. Because if you waited today, literally like we said, what happened? Giant move, awesome profits, quick, easy, boom. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, more action.